Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program that allows to perform calculations, analyze data, and create charts and graphs. One of the key features of Excel is its ability to use formulas and functions to perform complex calculations quickly and easily. In this video, let us see the various tools and options present in the Formulas tab in the MS Excel, included in MS Office 2021. Formulas in Excel are mathematical expressions that can be used to calculate values based on the data in the worksheet. To create a formula in Excel, start by selecting the cell where we want the result to appear. Then, type an equal sign, followed by the formula to be used. For example, to add the values in cells C3, D3, E3 and F3, use the formula equal C3 plus D3 plus E3 plus F3. Excel will automatically calculate the sum and display the result in the selected cell. Formulas tab contains 4 groups to apply formulas for calculating data from the selected cells or ranges of cells. Function library group, defined names group, formula auditing group, and calculation group. Functions in Excel are pre-built formulas that can be used to perform specific calculations, such as finding the average or calculating the square root of a number. To use a function in Excel, start by selecting the cell where we want the result to appear. Then, type an equal sign followed by the name of the function, followed by the arguments or parameters that the function requires, enclosed in parentheses. For example, let us find the total marks of student 2 in all the subjects. We have done that earlier by using the formula. We will now do that using function. To find the sum of the values in a range of cells, we can use the function sum. So let us write equal to sum, open bracket, C4, colon, F4, close bracket. Excel will automatically calculate the sum and display the result in the selected cell. The functions in Excel are organized into categories based on their functionality. For example, functions for financial calculations and analysis come under the Financial tool. Functions for manipulating and analyzing text strings come under the Text. Functions for working with dates, times, and durations are shown under Date and Time. These are just a few examples, and Excel provides a wide range of other functions to suit various data analysis and manipulation needs. Excel provides autocomplete and help features to assist in entering functions correctly and understanding their usage. Let us find out the minimum, maximum, and average marks in English using some of these formulas. To find out the minimum marks, let us write equal to min. As we can see, Excel has shown all formulas having word min. We want to use function min. So, let us now enter parentheses after min. Excel will show us the parameters to be provided, which is a range of numbers in this case. After selecting all the numbers in the English column, we will close the bracket and hit enter. It is now showing 65, which is the minimum marks obtained by any student in English. Similarly, we can write formulas for maximum marks and average marks. In Microsoft Excel, we can give a human readable name to a single cell or a range of cells and refer to those cells by name rather than by reference. The defined names group serves purpose in creating and generating names and its application. The generated names throughout the entire workbook could be used in the formulas. The buttons of Define Names group are the Name Manager, Define Name, Use in Formula, and Create from Selection. Let us find out the minimum marks obtained in science using defined names. Go to the Formulas tab. Then go to Define Names group and click Name Manager. In the top left-hand corner of the Name Manager dialog window, click the New button. This will open a new name dialog box. In the name box, specify the range name, that is, Science. In the Scope drop-down, set the name Scope. It is Workbook by default. This indicates that this scope will be applicable to the entire workbook. In the Refers to box, select the entire range of cells for science marks. We can also check the reference and correct it if needed. Click OK to save the changes. As we can see, entry for science is created in Name Manager. Finally, close the dialog box. Let us find the minimum marks obtained in science using this. Select any cell and write equal to MIN and open bracket. As we can see, it shows the header name Science. Select this header and press enter. It gives the minimum marks obtained in science. The Formula Auditing group is a set of tools that helps to analyze and debug formulas in spreadsheets. It provides a visual way to trace formula dependencies, locate errors, and understand how data flows through the workbook. For example, Evaluate formula allows one step through a complex formula and see the intermediate results at each stage. Let us look at the percentage formula and evaluate it. When we first click on Evaluate formula, it will show the calculations for the first part, that is, sum of C3 to F3. Next, it will replace H3 with the actual value in that cell. Then, it will divide the obtained sum of C3 to F3 by the H3 column value. And finally, the result is multiplied by 100. Error checking tools help to identify and resolve errors in the formulas. The calculation group refers to the set of tools that control how formulas and calculations are performed within the Excel workbook. It allows us to customize the calculation process, optimize performance, and manage dependencies between cells and formulas. Excel provides two calculation modes, automatic and manual. In automatic mode, Excel automatically recalculates formulas whenever there is a change in the input data. For example, if we change the marks of a student in maths, the total and the percentage change automatically. In the manual mode, we have to explicitly initiate the recalculation process. The Calculate Sheet option recalculates all formulas within the currently active worksheet. For example, if we set the mode to manual and then change the marks in maths, the total and the percentage have not changed. Now, when we click on the Calculate Sheet option, we see that the total and percentage are updated. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Head Start Learning.